何ですか？
What are we doing today?
知らんがな。
Today I'm gonna have you make something but you have to follow my instructions in English.
Okay.
Okay?
あー、むずっ。
Grab the sugar.
これよ、よいしょ。砂糖、シュガ
Grab the metal container.
ー。メタルのコンテーナー。
That's gonna have your milk. And then you also need the clear container.
これなんや。
That's your heavy cream.
あー、クリーム。
So I want you to take the cream and the milk
あー、分かってきたぞ。
and pour it into the sugar.
もう一回言って。
I said it already. You were talking.
OK。え。何作んの？
Okay, now can you take the spoon?
はい。
Doesn't matter which one. And mix it until the sugar is all gone.
なくなりました。
It's still there. I can hear it grinding. Okay, if you think that's good enough, I want no.
なくなるのほんまに。
Yeah, but because it's a little cold, it'll take a little bit longer. Because it's milk. Okay, why don't you put these the two milk containers back down?
OK。
So clean up your space. No. Oh, okay. If you want to pour it in there, you can. No, I said clean them up. Put them away. The milk, the bowl can stay on the top.
あー、わからないも
Okay, now you want the vanilla extract, and you want the 1/2 teaspoon measuring. And you're gonna put 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract into your milk mix.
これのハーフがよくわからん。あ、これがハーフなんか。ってことは3か。
One!
1 and a half.
No, I said 1/2.
Yeah, 1/2.
No, 1.
Yeah, and a half.
違うよ。1/2.
それハーフや。
Just a half.
全然言い方が違う。
Not 1 and
You
1
break the
half.
rule.
Yeah, but I gotta.
I just follow.
Yeah!
なんでよ
You don't-
I thought that the thing.
No, it's okay. You want to take the large bag, Ziploc bag, the largest one, and you're going to put the ice in the inside. Now you're going to take the salt and the other spoon. You can put one scoop of salt into the ice bag. Let's do one more. Now you're finished with that. And with the other bag, I want you to put your milk mixture into that bag. Close that bag as tight as you can and try to get the air out. And close the big bag. Mix the bag, but try not to break it open. And you're gonna smush it and clump it with the ice. And try to mix it as much as you can. What do you think you're making?
わからん。
You have this giant bottle. Hey! We got some helpers to maybe help.
Mada.
Yep. What do you think you're making?
No idea.
You need to take a break? Undo! Shake, shake, shake your food up. You don't know what you're making. Shake, shake, shake your food right. Your body strong. This is harder than I thought it was gonna be. Got this all set up for you. We got ice and ice bag.
そうや。
But don't go too fast. So you're gonna just push the button there.
こっからやんな。
Yep. One up should be fine.
これでもだいぶ時間かかるよ。
Yeah, but I don't want it to become whipped cream. That's not what we're making.
知らんがな、じゃあ。
We're not making whipped cream, babe. I'm just gonna tell you what we're supposed to be making because it's not. It's clearly not working. We've been mixing for like 2 minutes. Okay, so we're trying to make ice cream. And it should have worked in the bag. I've done it in high school where we did it in the bag, but it's just not working. So I'm gonna put what we made here in the freezer and let it do it naturally. But usually because of the ice and the salt mixture, it makes it a lot colder than regular ice, so it should have solidified. But I'm worried we're gonna end up making whipped cream. But if you taste it, babe, go ahead, put your stick your finger in there. It tastes like ice cream. Like melted ice cream, right? So we're gonna put it in the freezer and see if it works.
へえ、こうやってアイスクリーム使うね。
Yeah.
知らんかった。言っといてくれたら、もうちょっと頑張った。
Oh, honto? You wanna try this still? Or just put it in the freezer?
No. あ、そういうことか。あ、ここ私はいいよ。
Mix it.
ミックス
Yeah.
おー、アイス。おー。むっちゃアイスやん。いや、むっちゃアイスやん。真ん中がやっぱあかんな。シャーベットとかこれ。
食べて。あなた。
私アイス好きじゃ
Yeah, but just try it.
ない。めっちゃアイスクリーム。めっちゃアイスクリーム。
美味しい？
美味しいわ。あれだけで。
How was making ice cream?
いや、素晴らしい。知らんかった。シャーベットとかメロンのシャーベットとか作りたい。
Is there melon flavoring that we can buy?
I don't know.